Hi there. I'm going to read a book called The Bee's Sneeze. What can you see on the front cover? What does that make you think about? What does it make you wonder? I wonder what makes the bee sneeze. A bumblebee said with a wheeze, "I think I'm going to sneeze." Zzz. Chomp, chomp. A spider appeared from thin air and swallowed the bee then and there. See the spider with his 7 eyes and 8 legs? Poor bee. A greedy frog's mouth opened wide as he stuffed that fat spider inside. Yum, yum. A duck waddled down from the hill and scooped up the frog in his bill. A raccoon reached down from the trees and gobbled the duck with some cheese. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Oh, look, there's the duck in his tummy. The raccoon fell down through the air, straight into the mouth of a bear. Munch, munch, munch. Oh dear. Crunch, crunch. A tiger was going to roar when the bear padded in to explore. Oh dear. That's pretty dangerous. Never crawl into the mouth of a tiger. The tiger was in for a shock. Snapped up in the jaws of a croc. Snap. Can you snap your jaws like a crocodile? A whale swam up from below and swallowed the croc in one go. But deep down inside that huge whale, the bee had turned terribly pale, and tremble went right through his knees, and he let out an almighty, what did he do? Achoo! I wonder what's going to happen. The spider awoke, which made the frog choke. The frog kicked the duck. The raccoon ran amok. The bear clutched his tum. The tiger went numb. The croc did a flip. The whale bit his lip and let out a mighty hiccup. The animals all tumbled out and started to sing and to shout. As the whale swam back out to sea, the animals cried, "Bless you, bee!" The animals. Oh, sometimes it's okay to sneeze.